Hello friends, this is Dr. Ravi Sani. Our today's topic is nucleus. So basically nucleus as a cell organelle was first described by Robert Brown as early as 1831. Later the material of the nucleus stained by the basic dye was given the name that is called chromatin by Fleming. So with the help of basic dyes, it was stained and given the name of chromatin by Fleming. In this image, it is clearly visible. This stained portion, this one is a nucleus. यहाँ पे it is a membrane in which there is a perinuclear space between these membranes. This one is a nucleolus. Between the membrane there are specific pores which are called nuclear pore, nuclear membrane and nucleoplasm. The fluid which is present inside this nucleus is called nucleoplasm or matrix. So the interphase nucleus means when cell is not in dividing stage, जब cell division नहीं हो रहा है, that stage is called interphase nucleus. That phase is called interphase, and in this stage nucleus is visible like this, has highly extended and elaborate nucleoprotein fibers that will be called chromatin. Because cell में cell division नहीं हो रहा है, that's why chromosomes will appear like a thread, that will be called chromatin. Nuclear matrix and one or more spherical bodies which will be called nucleoli. There is a specific spherical body which is called nucleoli. Electron microscopy has revealed that nuclear envelope, which consists of two parallel membranes. Here is the nuclear membrane. Basically there are two membranes which are running parallel to each other, and there is a space between these membranes that is called perinuclear space, which forms a barrier between the materials present inside the nucleus and that of cytoplasm. बेसिकली जो न्यूक्लियस है वो सेल के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, और सेल में जो मैट्रिक्स है और जो दैट फ्लूइड पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड साइटोप्लाज्म, एंड इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस इट इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. So that nuclear membrane, it forms a barrier between the nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. The outer membrane usually remains continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. We have earlier studied the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, which forms a continuous portion of this nuclear membrane, and these endoplasmic reticulum have also ribosomes on it which is responsible for protein formation. At a number of places the nuclear envelope is interrupted by the minute pores which are formed by the fusion of its two membranes. These nuclear pores are passage through which movement of RNA and protein molecules takes place in both directions between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Obviously, these pores will help in the movement of RNA and various other proteins for various specific activities. Normally, there is only one nucleus per cell. Variations in the number of nuclei are also frequently observed. Definitely, in some of those cells, it might be possible there would be a presence of more than one nucleus. Some mature cells even lack nucleus. The most common example is the erythrocyte, जिसमें nucleus absent होता है in mature stage. The sieve tube cells of vascular plants, it also lacks a nucleus. So would we consider these cells living? RBC definitely is a living cell. No doubt in mature stage nucleus is absent in RBC. The nuclear matrix or the nuclear plasm contains a nucleolus and chromatin. The nuclear matrix or the nucleoplasm contains a nucleolus and chromatin. The nuclei are the spherical structures present in the nucleoplasm. The content of nucleus is continuous with the rest of the nucleoplasm as it is not a membrane bound structure. In this image, this one is nucleoplasm, sorry, this is the nucleus, and this matrix is nucleoplasm. So with the nucleolus there is a continuity between them, between the nucleolus and nucleoplasm. It is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. जो nucleolus है, it is a site for RNA synthesis, that is called ribosomal RNA synthesis. Larger and more numerous nuclei are present in cells actively carrying out protein synthesis. So in those cells which are having a protein synthesis or are responsible for protein synthesis, definitely they would contain more number of nuclei in the nucleoplasm.